from him. Judge. Ready?
Hello, everybody. My name is Boss Root, and I'm sitting here with
the fight professor, Stephen Quadros.
That's
and
right.
Welcome to Pride Fighting Championships. Stefan Struve, knockout power and world-class submissions.
And let's not forget, his nickname is Skyscraper, and that means this guy is tall, he's got a long reach, and he knows how to use it.
And he goes to the body.
Throw the left to the body this time. Double the jab. Keep moving. Oh, good one, son. Use your face.
Oh, I like that low kick. Oh, you see that trading blows.
He's getting too comfortable. Circle around.
Great movement here. Oh, we've got to cut.
Mix it up.
Let him miss, and right away comes back.
Just get close to range.
Oh, that hurts.
That's when you want to keep your hands up.
Land that right hard. Let your hands go.
Head, body, he's all over the place. Oh, that was just above the knee.
Oh, man, right on the button. And he goes down, pops right back up.
Follow, pop the hands.
That connected. There's a big right.
These punchers are brutal. Oh!
That
Man, right head
Boom.
kick, and down he goes.
Mawashi Yodagiri. Looks to me like he recovered. Wow, recovered quickly.
There it is. Watch him trying to bait you. He won't come forward. Stand in the middle. No. Don't chase him.
Great counter. Man, that was a brutal punch. A huge victory by one-punch knockout. Stefan Struve with an outstanding finish.
You see, that's what I always say in every interview. Aim for your shots, and that's what he did. Right on the button.
What a nasty knockout.
Wow, yeah, he was out before he hit the mat.
Brutal KO.
Great replay.